We're going to do a forearm plank on the floor. So get your mat, come down onto your forearms, make sure your elbow and your shoulder is in line. You're going to get on your toes, tuck that pelvis under so that your abs are super tight, and keep your booty down and hold. Breathe in and out. Keep your head in line with your spine. Do not do this or this. Keep it nice and long and lean. Hold, hold, hold. And you'll hold that as long as you can. If you need a modification, get on your knees. Same thing with your arms. Elbows and shoulders in line. Keep that booty tucked down, abs tight, and hold. Feel that? Burns. Breathe in and out. And this is the modification. So that is a forearm plank.